Good morning, students. Exercise 9.4 was going on and question number 1 was completed. Along with 5 part we have already done, and 6th part was your homework. So I hope you have completed your homework as well as your classwork. So students, let us focus on question number 2. Find the product. We have to calculate the product. 5 minus 2x, 3 plus x. Calculate the product. So firstly 5 will be multiplied to both 3 plus x, then minus 2x will be multiplied to 3 plus x. Let us open this bracket. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 into x, 5x, minus 2 3s are 6x, minus 2x into plus x, this will be minus 2x square. Now minus 2x square is there, one term. 5x minus 6x, this will be minus x plus 15. That's the answer. Remember one thing, whenever we will write the answer, we will write in the decreasing order of power. Firstly we have written power 2, then power 1, then none power, means 0 power. Power is also known as degree of polynomial, I have told you before. So x plus 7y, 7x minus y. When you will open this bracket, firstly x will be multiplied to 7x minus y, then plus 7y will be multiplied to 7x minus y. Now x into 7x, this will be 7x square, x into minus y, so minus xy, plus 7 7s are 49, x into y, xy, then minus 7y into y, 7y square. So 7x square minus 7y square. Now 49xy minus xy, this will be plus 48xy. That's your answer. I hope you understood this. Now students, third part of this question. A square plus b, a plus b square. So students, firstly a square will be multiplied to a plus b square, then plus b will be multiplied to a plus b square. A square into a cube, a square into b square, a square b square. B into a, this will be ab, b into b square, this will be b cube. Any term which you find is similar to another one, means any like terms are there. There are no like terms, so this we cannot solve further. That's going to be the answer. Now students, let us solve fourth part. P square minus q square, 2p plus q. So firstly p square will be multiplied to 2p plus q, then minus q square will be multiplied to 2p plus q. So let us open this bracket. P square into 2p, this will be 2p cube, power will be added, p square into q, p square q, minus q square into 2p, this will be minus 2p q square, minus q square into q, q cube. There are no like terms, so this is going to be the answer. Now students, question number 3, first part, we are going to begin with x square minus 5, x plus 5 plus 25. So firstly x square will be multiplied to x plus 5, then minus 5 will be multiplied to x plus 5, then in this product we will add 25. Now open this bracket. X square into x, x cube, 5 into x square, 5x square, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus 5 into plus 5, this will be minus 25, then again plus 25. Now minus 25 plus 25 gets cancel out. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is going to be the answer. Now students, let us focus on second part. Question number 3, first part we have done. Now we will do question number 3, second part. So that is a square plus 5, b cube plus 3 plus 5. So a square will be multiplied to b cube plus 3, then plus 5 will be multiplied to b cube plus 3 plus 5. So a square into b cube, this will be a square b cube, plus 3 into a square, this will be 3a square. 5 into b cube, 5b cube, 5 into 3, when bracket will be open, this will be multiplied. So 5 3s are 15 plus 5. So students, our next step will be just to find the like terms. 15 and 5 both are like terms, both will be added, so 20. Now there no longer existence of any like terms, so this is going to be the answer. Now question number third part. T plus s square, t square minus s. So firstly t will be multiplied to t square minus s, then s square will be multiplied to t square minus s. T into t square, this will turn out to be t cube. T into s, this will be st, plus s square into t square, s square t square, s square into minus s, this will be minus s cube. There are no like terms, so this is going to be the answer. Now students, question number third, we will solve more parts. Question number third, fourth part. A plus b, c minus d, plus a minus b, c plus d, plus 2 in bracket ac plus bd. Now when we will open this bracket, firstly a will be multiplied to c, so ac, plus then b will be multiplied to c, so what will be there, b will be multiplied to c, so this will be bc, then a will be multiplied to minus d, so minus ad, b will be multiplied to minus d, so minus bd. Similarly open this bracket as well, a into c ac, a into d ad, minus b into c minus bc, minus b into d minus bd. Open this bracket as well, 2 into ac 2ac, 2 into bd 2bd. Now just find out the like terms. So here is minus bd, here is minus bd, minus bd minus bd, minus 2bd, minus 2bd plus 2bd, both will be cancel out. Now AC, AC and 2AC, this will be 4AC. Now minus BC plus BC cancel out, minus AD plus AD cancel out. So all terms are solved, only 4AC is going to be the answer. This is remaining and nothing else is remaining now. Now students, after this we are going to solve question number third, fifth part. X plus y, 2x plus y plus x plus 2y, x minus y. So this is what we are going to solve. Firstly x will be multiplied to 2x plus y, then y will be multiplied to 2x plus y, then again similarly x will be multiplied to x minus y, then 2y will be multiplied to x minus y. Now open this bracket, 2x into x, 2x square, x into y, xy, 2x into y, 2xy, y into y, y square, x into x, x square, x into minus y, this will be minus xy, 2y into x, 2xy, 2y into minus y, this will be minus 2y square. Now again we should just solve the like terms. Only one x square is there, so x square, y square minus 2y square, this will be minus y square. The terms which we have solved should be underlined, so there should not be any confusion that what is remaining. Now plus xy, 2xy, 3xy, then again 2xy, so 5xy, fine. Anything else which is remaining? 5xy and we have forgotten 1 minus xy. So 5xy minus xy, this will be 4xy. Now x square term we already have solved. 2x square, one more is there. So 2x square plus x square. This will turn out to be 3x square. Now as you can see, all terms are underlined. So we have solved all the terms. So this is going to be the answer. So this is how we will calculate the answers. I hope you understood this simplification. So students, this is enough for today. We will continue the remaining questions in the next lecture. And I really hope that you are completing your work on time. So thank you. God bless you.